If you've been asked to track a bunch of ESG metrics for your investors, then what you can do is take the sheet that they've sent you, go into Ella under the ESG reporting tab under metrics, add in the sheet and create a new framework by dragging and drop the sheet in. Ella then creates the new framework under the name you've given it, extracts out all the things you need to measure across numeric, commentary, and company specific. And there are 3 ways that Ella can help measure this for you. Number 1 is you can, of course, enter it in on your own. The second is because Ella has all the information on your system, you can run an autocomplete. That means that Ella will search across all areas of your platform, from your carbon data, what's inside your policies, any metrics in other areas like supplies or certifications that you've got, and then Ella will extract out the numbers for you and then write it in to complete those metrics. Now you can see that Ella's pulled in these metrics from other areas of the platform in your carbon tab, all for the emission metrics here. Ella will do the same for any other metrics that she has inside the platform. For all the remaining metrics, what we can do is then set up a collect. Because lots of information sits with different people across the business, sometimes integrations just isn't the best way to do this. It's better to have Ella collect those different metrics points by allowing those people to just tell Ella what the number is, or just give Ella a bunch of documents or screenshots that Ella can then use to help fill out the missing metrics that you need. To do this, you simply click on the metrics that you need to be collecting. You can bulk collect an owner, and then you can bulk assign a collection date. When you've done that, we can then see under here that Julius is going to be emailed on the 30th of April for these 3 metrics. What that means is Julius will then get emailed by Ella to say, I need information from you for our ESG reporting. Julius opens the secure link, and then Ella will ask Julius and say, hey, these are the metrics I need from you. This is likely where they're going to be found. And if Julius is stuck, Julius can then ask questions of how might I get these metrics? What might I do to be able to fill this in? Of course, Julius can go back into the tool and add this in himself, but it's much easier for Julius just to give as much documents, any uploads and exports, and Ella will then convert everything back into the tool here. That means when everything's then measured, you can simply download the Excel here and then send that back to your investors. Plus, you can then download reports here of all the different statements that you're given on your account. This way, you have all your metrics automated on a collection basis with Ella that you can see on your dashboard here of when information is getting collected, which makes the whole ESG reporting process a lot easier.